Hi, my name's Donna and I'm going to be cooking sweet potato and chickpea curry with rice as part of the City Catering Cook at Home. We've got a white onion today, so what I do is I just chop off the roots and then cut straight through the middle, and then I'll find it easier to peel. So we're going to take off this outside skin. Cut down the lines of the onion. Now we're going to do our ginger. Find it easier to peel if you get a teaspoon and you just take the skin off. It's quite woody. So I'm going to crush and chop a garlic. If you have a garlic crusher, just crush it with the garlic crusher, but I don't. So what I do is push down on top of the garlic. Makes them easier to peel. You can see they're squashed. You can just peel off the outside. Then all we need to do is cut the root bit off. And then we can only chop our garlic. Just keep going over it until it's as finely diced as you want. Next we have our sweet potatoes. We need to peel and chop these into bite-sized pieces. Sweet potato skin is quite hard to peel, so I've got my peeler. Now we're going to chop them into bite-sized pieces. If there's any other bits of peel, we can take them off as we're going. It's quite a hard vegetable. If you get it into more manageable pieces, then you can slice to bite-sized pieces. We're going to pop our cumin seeds in. And then we're going to cook these for 1 minute, stirring continuously. Let all the flavour out of the cumin seeds. And hear them starting to sizzle now. Right. Next we're going to add our diced onion and cook for around 5 minutes. Just soften it all. And we're going to add the crushed garlic, the finely chopped crushed garlic, finely grated ginger, and our chilli. And we're going to cook for another 2 minutes. Let all those flavours release. Right, now we're going to add the drained chickpeas.